Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today because I received some happy mail. Yay for happy mail. I received happy mail from my friend Shara, who is Shara Crane here on YouTube and on Instagram. I will definitely link her channel and her Instagram feed down below. You guys definitely show this girl some love. She's so talented and so creative. Oh my gosh, I could just keep her Instagram feed just up on my computer for inspiration. She's that amazing. I had sent her a little something and I told her she didn't have to send me anything, but she didn't listen and she sent me something and I'm extremely grateful. So yay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. All right, I already took this off the packaging. She had the package wrapped up in this super cute wrapping paper. Look at those adorable little girls. I just wanna keep it, it's so cute. They need a paper line with this little girl. Absolutely adorable. So I took it out of the packaging. Thank you so much for making it so pretty. This is the box, so I'm going to go ahead and dig in. I haven't peeked or anything. All right, so, oh my gosh, girl, what did you send? All right, I'm just going to take everything out of the box because it looks like there's a lot of little stuff in here. Oh my goodness. What did you do? Oh my gosh. This is way too much. Way too much. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I got everything out. Oh, I was wondering what was rattling in the box. Let me just dump it out. I think it fell out of something. I'm not sure. But there's like little jingle bells. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. I have never seen little glittered up jingle bells. How cute. Yay. Thank you for sharing. Okay, I'm going to set those off to the side. Okay, this is the cards. I'm going to start with the card first. All right. Have a lovely birthday. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Look at that card. It's so cute. All right, let me read it off to the side really quick. Oh, it says, Erica, enjoy your special day, and I hope you are enjoying your birthday month. I wish I was quick on sending you something, but I didn't know it was your B-day in time. I hope you enjoy this little package. I had fun making it for you. Thank you for being so wonderful. XOXO, Shara Crane. Oh, thank you, girl. Thank you so much. This is so pretty. I'm going to put this in my kitchen with my other cards. Okay, I'm going to start with this right here. And it looks like she's made some handmade embellishments. Now this girl can sew like nobody's business. Look at the detail of this little package. She has it sewn and it says Merry and it says Merry Days. And then she's got a double sewing stitch on her little top package. She is so extra. Her attention to detail is really amazing. And then look at those embellishments. They're all they're all sewn with a sewing machine, but they're like little flags with little pom-poms. She's got the little zigzag stitch right there. It says hot cocoa. Oh my gosh, and it says fa la la la. I think that's crepe paper. Absolutely adorable. Yay! I don't have this paper line, so I'll probably have to get it now so I can use these embellishments. Oh, I love that Mary. That's so cute. I want to try that. Super, super cute. Oh my gosh, she sent me some hand cream. Thank you, girl. Oh my gosh, now that it's winter, I definitely need to keep a hand cream in my purse, and this looks amazing. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. You are so sweet. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna get this one right here. There's a little gift and it says peace, love, joy. Look how cute. She's got it wrapped with washi tape. Oh my gosh, it's my birthday. Oh, throw kindness around like confetti. Oh, thank you, girl. This is super cute. I love this. I actually have this stamp, but that is okay. I will definitely re-gift it. Don't you worry. But I love this little saying, and I think I'm gonna double check. I think I have this one because I remember I picked something up similar at Hobby Lobby, but I'll definitely check. If I do have it, I will definitely re-gift it because I'm all about re-gifting if I have doubles, because it doesn't make sense to have two of one thing when you can give it to somebody else. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate that. Okay, I think I'm gonna open this up next, and I don't know where this fell off. I don't know where it was, but she has this glittered up little clothespin, which is really pretty. And then this little package right here is absolutely super adorable, and this is heavy. I don't know what you sent. Oh, and look at her little package. It says joy, and she's got all these little embellishments and bling. So cute. This paper is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's another stamp. Oh, it says fa la la llama. Oh, thank you. I don't have this one, so that is super sweet. I can use him in Christmas projects. And then there's a couple more of these little jingle bells, which I love. I love the little colors. You'll have to tell me where you found those, because those are really, really cute. And let's see, this is gonna be, oh, look at that. Oh, thank you, Shara. This is so super sweet. I'm gonna put this in my craft room for sure. It's a really pretty, just like a little tray with a cute little birthday bear. Absolutely adorable. Love him. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. I was wondering what was so heavy. Okay, this is the next package. Let me just zoom out just a tad. But look, it says Merry B-Day. And look at her sewing. It's so pretty. I mean, it's gorgeous, you guys, like seriously. And then she has this whole little thing sewn around the entire little package. I love it. Love, love, love. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up because I know there's something inside. So I'm gonna open it very carefully. All right, I snipped. All right, what did you send me, girl? Oh my gosh. Oh, yay! You probably knew I was like trying to collect the embellishment pieces to this collection. This is so super cute. These are cardstocks and little embellishment shapes. Super cute from Tuesday morning. Yay! So now I have a couple more to add to the stash. Awesome, awesome. I still have to get the Glitter Girl paper. I still haven't gotten it yet, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I have to get it now because now I like have all the embellishments. And then look at this cute little package right here. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be really careful. I want to take a picture of all this stuff because it's so amazing. It says, "Dear Santa, I have been nice." And then she has that nice, these are like stickers. And look at that, I love that deer, and she's got a tag right there. Look at her layering of the doilies. It's so cute. And then also look at the stitching right there. Oh my gosh, oh, number 19. Okay, so I got a new sewing machine, and she's been so super sweet with helping me with the stitching and how to sew and how to like do different things with the sewing machine. And we have the same exact sewing machine, so it just worked out perfectly. And she has been such a doll, just super sweet with all of that, and just very kind to do a tutorial for me, and she sent it to me, and so now I'm all on the same page with her. But look at that little tiny little rosette with the little snowflake and the little bling. Love it. It's so cute. I don't even want to open it because I don't want to mess it up. Oh, and this is one of those little bags. Oh, okay. All right, I'm going to open it from the bottom. Oh, you sent me a memory dex card. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. I looked at that file and I hadn't downloaded it yet. Girl, this is super thick. Oh my gosh. She has like chipboard in the middle. Wow, this is really extra. Oh my gosh. Does this open? It opens. Look at this, you guys. Look at the handles. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love it. It's a purse memory dex card. And look at the lace and the little brads. The details are just everything. Look at her stitching. This is so amazing. Look at the bottom. See, she showed me how to do the stitching like that. I still have to practice. And see, it says made for you by Shara Crane. And I think she creates these little stickers. And look how she even did the back with the stitching, but then she like tore the paper and did like 4 different pattern papers. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at all of that, you guys. It's so pretty. Okay, let's open it up. I just want to look at this for like, oh, there's a little note in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to read that off camera because that's a little bit long. But in case you're wondering, she does have a little Velcro right there. so that you could close it to keep it shut. Okay, I've got to try to make one of these purses now. Oh my gosh, I love this memory decks card. Gorgeous. Thank you so much. I'm so glad I have a handmade creation from you. Yay! That is adorable. I'm so inspired. And look at this cute little package right here. Yay, this is some fun twine. It's super thick. How cute. I'll definitely reuse that. Okay, I'm gonna open up this little package right here. And she's got these little ephemera pieces that I can, oh, she's got it layered. Okay, okay. All right, I'm gonna take it off. Trust me, I'm gonna be reusing some of that stuff. Don't you worry. Okay, what does she have in here? Oh, these little die cuts from Hobby Lobby. Oh, these are pretty. I don't know if I picked these ones up. I remember when they had that like huge monster sale and we all went crazy. I think I got some hearts, but I don't know if I got the globes. Oh, these are gorgeous. So thank you for sharing. Those are so super pretty. Yay. You are so super sweet, girl. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she's got this cute wrapping paper. I guess this is wrapping paper. It's not cardstock. Oh my goodness. She sent me some stickers and they are gorgeous and they got glitter and they're black. Create, wake up, friends. I love this. I don't have this one. Yay. Thank you so much. It is so sparkly. I love these thicker stickers. Girl, you have spoiled me rotten. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And there's more. This is it, guys. I think this is the last package. I hope I didn't miss anything. I'm so bad about that. Sometimes I miss stuff. Oh my gosh, look at the cute little confetti in here. How adorable. Look at, there's even little tiny hearts. Super cute. Okay, oh my goodness. Look at all that confetti because it's my birthday. Yay! Thank you so much. This is so sweet of you. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Oh my gosh. Another amazing creation. This is like, oh, it's so pretty. I love this paper. It's just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, how do I open it? Oh, it just slides like that. Okay, so this must be like an SVG file. And look at the little scalloped edge and her sewing. 19, girl. Yes, I'm gonna try it. Oh my gosh, she stuffed it with goodies. Oh, handmade embellishments. Okay, let me just put this down. These are so cute. Let me just get really close, you guys. Look at that. It says, ho, 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 holiday wishes. Look at her amazing layering. 2 circles. She's got all this double stitch sewing on the circles with the little enamel dots popped up on these itty bitty tiny rosettes. Absolutely adorable. And I hope I'm focused, you guys. There's that one. And then look at this really pretty one right here. Again, double stitching, really pretty snowflake layers. It's absolutely gorgeous. It looks like a little ruffle underneath that layer. I love that. Oh my gosh, if you're not inspired right now, oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Thank you so much. And then look at this rosette. So pretty. And I love these little itty bitty rosettes with the little sparkly snowflakes. I just picked some sparkly snowflakes up from Hobby Lobby. Look at her little bling, and it says, make merry. And she has all these pretty enamel dots. Girl, this is gorgeous. I love it. So pretty. Thank you so much. And then she's got another little treat in here. It's like a little gift, an accordion gift box. I mean, look, she's got it layered. Look at the, it's just gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. How cute. And then it's like an accordion fold on the side. In case you're wondering, Shara, you'll have to tell me if this is an SVG file. Oh my gosh. Look, this is, oh my gosh, look at, it's a little birthday present memory decks card. Oh my gosh, girl. This, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I don't even want to open it. How cute. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna open it up. This is so amazing. Oh my gosh. You know what? I probably should have just opened everything and then took pictures first and then shared. It's so, I hope I can like recreate. Oh look, so the ribbon is inside of the box. Okay, I love that idea. And what do you have in here? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that. It's a box. She turned it into a box. Some little sequin pouches. Oh my gosh, girl. Thank you so much. This is so, so sweet. Look at that. Brads. And then I got a little cute little tiny sequin mix. Oh, these are pretty. Thank you so much, Shara. Look at those black polka dots. Those are cute. And even the little, I'm sorry, I'm not focused. Look at those little iridescent ones. Those are cute. You'll have to tell me, where did you get those? So pretty. Oh, I feel so blessed and I'm so thankful. I'm so glad I made a new crafty friend. We have been chatting quite a bit. She's doing a craft fair, I'm doing a craft fair. So it's been really fun getting to know her and chatting with her. She's so super sweet, you guys. Show her some love, leave a comment, check out her channel and her Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.